In this video, there are 4 key lessons you will learn: how to read price action, how to build bias, how to confirm bias, and how to enter for the trade. Hello guys, my name is Joshua OJH. I am an intermediate trader who is building an edge, trading one strategy consistently with a disciplined mindset, which of course I am documenting in this channel. You can check it out after this video. Watch this video to the end and you will learn a lot from this. Now, how to read price action. First of all, price action means the behavior that price gives repeatedly that predicts the next move it may take in the future. Now, how to build bias. Bias is more like price action but in the advanced way. It helps you to know when the current price will be going next. How to confirm bias. To confirm bias, you need to see a certain move to the direction of your bias. How to enter for a trade. The most important thing there is to enter for your trade after you have confirmed your bias and boom, you have made money for yourself. Now let's go to the chart and I will teach you how I did this process and how I took profit from this trade, the exact bias I use, and you will definitely learn from it, and also you will make money from it using this same strategy. So let's go. Now coming to the chart, we are in the weekly time frame. So what we are going to be doing is we want to use price action to know where price will be heading to in the nearest future. So what do? Let's see something. You see price coming, giving us this higher highs, then it broke structure to the downside. It came once again to this high, then pushed down. What do we see? This is price is coming to the downside. As you can see, it gave this break of structure to the downside. Definitely this has tells us that price is coming to the downside, but unfortunately price went back up, taking liquidity from this level right here. Price have take liquidity from this level. Now it pushed and give us a market shift from this level. Now what did price do? After price have given us a market shift from this level, it retraced back up, tapping into this our order block. As you can see, this was the order block. Then after price tapped into the order block, it came down once again, give us this break of structure right here, as you can see, or let's say this overall break of structure right here. Now price now is at the same order block once again. What are we expecting? As you can see, we have the first order block. After price give us this break of structure to the downside, it's retraced back to the upside and pushed down with a bearish big candle. Then it flip once again and come down again. Now this is the same price action price will be doing once again. Price went up to this order block once again. Now the next move is going to take in the nearest future or currently is that is coming to this is going to break down this low right here. So this is the price action we have seen on the weekly time frame. Now how to confirm this? We need to go to the daily time frame and look for our bias, because we are a day trader. I'm not a swing trader, so basically I'm a day trader. So let me delete this one first. So looking at this price action, what do we see? We see price giving us this overall break of structure to the downside. Now some may say this is the high, some may say this is the high, also may also call this the high. But if you zoom out really well, you can see that this is the overall high. You can see this is our overall high right here. Let me make these things bigger. So you can see this is our overall high right here. It is our overall high. Let's see something. When price come to this higher, give us this lower high and it push down. As you can see, price is inside our range right here, our overall range right here. Now it has medicated that higher time frame order block, Now what is our bias? Our bias is price will be coming down soon enough, because if let me go to the weekly time frame and you see something you see something. Let's see something. Let's look at this price action right here. You see, after price tap into this order block, this previous order block, what did it do? It gave a sharp bearish momentum. As you can see, this was the momentum, this sharp bearish momentum, or after this rejection candle, price gave this sharp bearish momentum. Once again, price have approached this our another order block, which is this rejection week right here. As you can see, another bearish candle is about to form and push to the downside. So we already gotten our price action on the weekly time frame that predicts where price will be heading to, and this is where price will be coming to next. Now on the daily time frame, what are we saying? We are seeing that yes, price have taken liquidity from this level right here. All these highs have been taken out because a lot of sellers want to sell for there, but because they don't understand price action, they have gotten stopped out already. So let's see something now. This our current momentum that shifts, that is pushing to the downside on the daily time frame, is telling us something that yes, price might be pushing to the downside, but in all we still have a opposing zone right here. As you can see, we have this higher low and higher high. Definitely this low is a strong low. We have a strong low right here. As you can see, now this low is going to confirm the bias of the daily time frame that yes, price is coming to the downside. But I did not actually waited for price to come down to the downside, because if I also look at this our previous price action, what did we see? If you see, this is what I'm talking about, this all this zone right here. As you can see, immediately price tap into our order block right here, into our previous order block, it gave this big push to the downside and breaking structure before coming to the downside. So this is the same price action I want to use right here. Now price have come back to this order block right here, and my anticipation that price is going to pull back and breaking this low before giving us a pullback before the down move. As you can see, so I follow this order flow, this daily order flow to the downside, because price have been coming down from day 1, day 2, day 3 and day 4. So day 4 was when I followed the move, as you can see. So I got my bias on the daily time frame, which is the momentum is actually pushing, and it will keep pushing until we break this low before the retracement and the remove or the resell will happen. Now I've got my bias straight to the 2 hour time frame. Now the trade I got, or I caught a trade after price giving me my bias on the daily time frame, which is, as you can see, price is giving me a higher, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low and a lower low. As you can see, now I waited for price to come into my 2 hour key level, which is right here. This is my key level. As you can see, this is my key level right here. Now the 2 hour is giving me a confirmation on the daily time frame bias, because the momentum on the daily time frame is facing down. I want to see a confirmation by price giving me a bearish break of structure, which, as you can see right here, price gave me a bearish break of structure to the downside. This was a break of structure, and it also gave me another break of structure right here, a minor break of structure. Also, if you see at this top right here, price gave me a break of structure. So price keep breaking structure right here. So my anticipation is price will pull back to this upside and give me another break of structure to the downside, which it has already done already. And as you can see, it pulled back once again, and it has already given me another break of structure. As you can see, the momentum on the daily time frame is actually working on the 2 hour time frame. Now how I caused this trade, as you can see, price pulled back to my point of interest right here, which is this key level. What did I do? Now I've gotten my confirmation on the 2 hour time frame. This is where I want to go to my entry time frame to look for my entry model. So to the 15 minutes time frame. Now after price tap into my 2 hour point of interest, what did I do? I waited for a confirmation once again. Now as you can see, price tap into my key level on the 2 hour time frame, which is the blue line, and immediately it shifted to this downside, and I was like, okay fine, what is my entry model, which is my entry model. I want to see price take liquidity before coming to the downside. As you can see, price created a liquidity zone, right? See, after this mitigation on the 2-hour time frame, it came down and gave an engineered liquidity before pulling to the downside, before the minor shift in structure. Now if I zoom out, you see that price actually gave a break of structure to this downside. As you can see, it's just a minor wick. As you can see, let me zoom out for you. As you can see, it's just a wick. Now this wick is called a rejection. Definitely price rejecting from this low, which means this high is going to be used as liquidity. Now my nearest key level that is nearing to my liquidity is this key level. Let me remove, is this key level right here. I have my OC key level right here, but I did not use this OC key level because I went to the 1-hour time frame and I refined my entry right here. And let me go to the 1-hour time frame. So as you can see, on the 1-hour time frame, there's no key level around on my 15 minutes time frame. What did I do? I shift my key level. I just shift my key level to this 1-hour time frame. Excuse me. So I shift my key level to this A-shaped key level right here. As you can see, price tap this guy and it keep coming down. It comes down immediately. Now if you wonder why I put my take profit at the level, you can also see a key level right here where price rejected 1, 2, 3, 4 times. So I was like, okay, let me be more protective, or let me just be careful. That was where I put my stop loss at this level right here. As you can see, now after price have given us this break of structure, it pulled back up once again and tapping into another key level, which is this key level. But I actually missed this entry right here because I did not see any key level I should use, or I did not actually see any key level after on my confirmation entry. I did not see it, so I missed the move. This was actually the break of structure. As you can see, after price tap into the 2-hour key level right here, I mark this one as my break of structure. As you can see, the same thing price did here, the same thing price did. So I marked this guy as my inducement. This was my liquidity, and as you can see, here was my nearest key level that is nearest to my liquidity. So I was targeting this high right here as a nice 1:3 ratio, but price actually keep coming down, as you can see. So it is what it is. If this video is helpful, please like, subscribe and turn on that notification bell so that whenever I upload another video like this, you will learn from it once again. Thank you once again. It's your boy Joshua.